Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up MetaClickPro to your website in Google Search Console and start working with MetaClickPro either if you are a tester or a new customer. So you have the sign up page. All you need to do is just add your details with password, click sign up, then we'll lead you here to allow access. All right, so we already provided permission for MetaClickPro before. If you are a new customer, you just need to allow access. What we do, we just do this one, refresh the page. Okay, go here to the account that we want to add. We give access. Then we connect the website that actually we want to connect, which is this one. We connect it and then we finish. Background sound can process. Please wait for 30 minutes. All what you need to do is just waiting for 10 or 30 minutes. Probably it's faster than usual. So you just need to go to the website and you will start to see information start to pull in. Of course, you can see that under pages. As you can see, we already pull up 567 pages. It's really fast actually. As you can see, you refresh and they add it every time. Then you can start to see the states and what's going on. All right, as you can see, it's need time to refresh a bit, but as you can see, all the information is actually exists here. The first screen you actually need to start with is here, the dashboard. The tool is game changer in the SEO place. So there is a lot of features, but not to confuse you, we recommend to start with the first feature that we put on the top, which is the main feature of the tool. All the other features and filters and pages and experiments is additional stuff, but you need to start with experiments and you can start from pages that have high impressions but low click-through rate. So let me come back in 10-20 minutes when the website is finished and we will continue and I will show you the continuous. Okay guys, we're back after 3 minutes and actually 50% of the website already imported to the system, and we recommend, as we mentioned before, start with pages with high impressions but low click-through rate. All the point here is increase the CTR and show results of what showed in the system with low CTR, that you just need to create a test and increase that. So I will explain you right now step by step really fast. Let's jump to it right now. Before we jump to the tool, we just want to show you some results of testing with the tool and what we do. This account is actually the testing account that we connect for you right now, and we show you what we do and how we improve the CTR by almost 0.1, which is a lot for this amount of impressions in a couple of months. And we increased the clicks by almost 2,000 with really simple changes, and we have even lower impression count and even lower position on Google results. And as you can see right now, when the CTR start to increase big time, we can see the results when we open a lot of experiments when we finish the tool in the last 7 and 15 days. And if we compare even the last 28 days, we probably will see a better results. As you can see, almost 800 clicks. The CTR increased even more to 1.3. And if we take the last 7 days, let's see the CTR, it's increased in a lot percentage, almost 30% in the last 7 days, and additional 300 clicks, which is awesome with even lower impression count. So that means the testing is working great, and let's jump in. So all the setting is actually here. You have a lot of options. You have frequently asked questions. Read all the FAQ if you want. If you have any question, of course, you can reach out to us. If you have any bug, because we are on the testing phase, it's here. Of course, the first feature, as we recommended, just go here, view pages. We count all the pages that actually have low CTR by the average. We take the average CTR you have in your account, and actually we count it and we give you all the pages with impressions that have lower than the average CTR. And this one gives you the opportunity to start to optimize the title tag and title description on your website and start to make experiments. So let me show you how it works really fast. And you can start digging into your website and start to make a testing, and then you will see how you improve the CTR and click-through rate really fast and show really awesome results. So of course you can pick those with the most impressions if you want, guys. You just go here, you can play with the filters. Let's take this one for example. The CTR is 0.4 for 34,000 impressions, which is really low. Maybe it can fit for the position, but it's still really low. We expect for 2, 3, or we expect at least to be above the average. So all what you need to do, if you want to see the details of the page, you can click the link. This is the link. And of course you can click on the title of the page. Then you can see all the states about the page and what's going on with the page. What is the title, description, what is the states by days if you want to follow, what is the top keywords, and many more. For this one, all what we need to do, we just want to open a test. You just open a new test and you pick. The most recommended is clicks. If you have a lot of traffic, so better to do 15 or 30 days. If you have a less than not a lot of clicks, you can go to 60 and 90 days, but the most recommended is 30 days. You can leave a note if you want, and also you can look what is the best keywords that actually you have most impressions, then you can start optimize it. But of course you just start test. After you start a test, it will jump to the experiment page. Experiment page tells you that you need to go to your website and just change the title tag and title description. That's it. After you change the title tag and title description, you just come here, and after between 20-24 hours every day we run sync. We see the changes that actually happen on the title tag and description. We open the test automatically. If you want to change it on your website right now, you can come here, check changes, and after you change, the experiment will be start. Right now it's not start because we didn't change. Just go to your website, change the title tag and description on the SEO, and you done. You just go here, check changes, and that's it. You start to see the results here appear, and what was the change before, what was the change after you change, what is the percentage, how you increase your CTR, how you increase your clicks, impressions count, whatever. Of course, if you want to test other stuff like impressions, let's say you add some content and you want to test if you rank even better. So you just go here, all right, and you just click impressions because you want to test impressions, and for 90 days, for example, and you just start the test. That's it. This is how it works. Of course, you can open as many as you can impressions. We give you the suggestions of pages that you can optimize. Of course, the best option is this one, to optimize all the pages that actually have really low CTR. We are soon going to add more features here, but of course you can play with that. For example, this pages is actually optimized on Google Search Console, but have less than 20 impressions in the last 30 days, which is really low. So probably these 571 pages, you want to add more content, you want to check them if there is any problem in the optimization and you want to optimize them. You want to purchase or add, I don't know, features. Maybe they have a blank, as you can see, issues like that, which I dig in a minute. These pages, actually, you can learn from them. Pages with high CTR and in the last 30 days that improve and themselves and working really good. You can learn what you do right. Pages with not a lot of CTR and clicks, even 0. All right, you just can count the impressions, and you can see this one not even 1 click with 2,000 impressions. So definitely this one needs to change the title tag or title description, because in SEO what we do, we just handle this one with Excel before, and all the time all the agencies just change the title tag and description and just forget about it. What works, what not, no one knows about it. So here we show you what is the states in the last 30 days that you can track, and also you have experiments that shows you if the test is working and the change that actually you make is working or not. After that, you have pages with position above 50. Maybe you want to optimize them. They have some problems. You can sort by impressions to see those with a lot of impressions. So probably if you go to position number 1, you will see awesome impression count. Okay, here you can see what is under experiment and what's not. Let's go to all pages. Let me show you an additional awesome feature. We run audit for all the pages in your website, and you can just go to status, choose to issues, and you see what is the problem with your website. There is a lot of pages that have 404 issue. As you can see, it was 43, now is 45. 61, take a look at that. It's still work in the background. We still grab details from the website. There is issues with those pages, so probably you need to fix them. As you can see, we recognize 403 issue, 430 issue for this link, for example. There is a problem with the link in optimization on Google, and there is a lot of other issues. But you just need, if you sign up right now, so you just need to wait a bit to see what's going on. Soon you will have more details about the issues here. For example, this is 404. So it's blank page that actually you need to create a redirect. So this tool is really powerful tool. You can start to just go to pages, see what you can improve, and go play with the filter. Start to optimize this one and start to just increase the CTR. As you can see in our results, we increase the clicks with even lower impression count. So there is a lot of pages in the website that actually need improvement on title tag and title description. As you can see, really high position, really low CTR, and a lot of impressions. So of course, as you can see, there is numbers here. So this one require a change immediately and to increase the CTR. So how you can recognize them, you can just play with the filter over here. So of course, if you want to focus in only collection pages or whatever, you have a really smart feature here. You just click enter and you will see all the collection pages that you have. You can sort with the impression count, or if you want to see only products. And that's it. Just dig in, play with the system, play with that. It's really awesome tool. Soon we are going to add to each page SEO score that will show you what you need to improve if you have missing, if the link is not correct to the keyword. And we add more features of connecting the website that you will change the title tag and description from here, and it will go inside to the website immediately without going to website and come back. There is a lot of awesome features coming soon, and a primary keyword that gives you, if you want to point to a keyword with this page, we will show you where the keyword is missing. Maybe in description, in link, in title, and then you will get SEO score with optimize it to 100%. So this is definitely well picked features that speed up all the problems and all CTR and all the things that actually you need to change on your website, and this is in one board. If you have any problem, guys, if you are a tester, just reach out here and we will help you with any issue you have. That's it. For any question, everything we have available here. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.